Every production journey begins in the fields, where sugarcane reaches maturity. Freshly harvested sugarcane quickly begins its journey toward industrial processing. The factory becomes the starting point of transformation. Cleaning prepares every sugarcane stalk for efficient processing. Preparation creates the ideal form for extraction. The valuable juice hidden inside the cane is extracted. Purification ensures only clean juice moves forward. Heat transforms the liquid into a concentrated solution. Crystallization creates the familiar sugar structure. Every batch undergoes detailed quality inspection. Packaging protects products for transport and use. The journey ends as sugar products leave for markets around the world.